Batches are groups of items created from the same production run. The batch function in Tidy enables you to assign batch numbers against material items, assign batch numbers when receiving purchased items, and sell items with a batch number. Head to Materials under Global Settings and click the Edit icon on one of your managed items. Let's use the small welding glove in this example. At the bottom of the item, you'll see the Serials and Batches section. Click on the checkbox next to Batches Enabled. You can also select production date and/or expiry date if you require this information. Once you save, you can see that a new Batches icon has appeared for this item. Click on it. Your batches will appear here after you've created them. Currently, there are 20 out of 20 small welding gloves not yet assigned to a batch at the location main warehouse. To create one, click on New Batch. Enter the quantity of items you want to add to this batch, along with the optional production and expiry dates. The batch number is automatically generated but can be edited. Once you save, you can see the batch we just created. There are 15 items in this batch, so the number of unassigned items has decreased to 5 out of 20. Under your company settings, there are 2 batch settings. Show batches with no stock by default means that batches with no stock assigned will be displayed at the top of the items batch list. Batch assignment on PO receipt means that when you receive purchase orders, you must assign them to a batch. For example, when we receive a purchase order for small welding gloves, this clipboard icon appears. Click on it. You can add these items to an existing batch or create a new batch using the items in this order. Then continue receiving the purchase order as usual. Similarly, when you create a sales order for this item, you can choose which batch or batches to sell from.